Welcome you all to the Lahore School System Sadiqabad. Assalamu alaikum, dear class 1. I hope that all of you good and must be enjoying your vacation at home. Well, dear students, I am here your English teacher. Now it's time to take class. First of all, I would like to request to all of you to open your books of English and get to the page number 41. Here we have unit 5 and unit name is animals, birds, fruits and vegetables. Animals जानवर, birds परिंदे, fruits फल and vegetables सब्जियाँ. On page number 41 we have some animals and birds. Topic first is animals and birds, जानवर और परिंदे. E for elephant, L for lion, G for goat, D for dog, C for cat. These are animals. Elephant हाथी, lion शेर, goat बकरी, dog कुत्ता, cat बिल्ली. ये सब animals हैं, जानवर हैं. Next are C for crow, S for sparrow, P for peacock, H for hen, D for duck. These are birds. Sparrow चिड़िया, crow कौवा, peacock मोर, hen मुर्गी, duck बतख. These are animals and birds, जानवर और परिंदे. Now get the page 42. Here we have some fruits and vegetables. Fruits फल, vegetables सब्जियाँ. A for apple, P for plum, M for mango, O for orange, B for banana. These are fruits. Apple सेब, plum आलू बुखारा, mango आम, orange संतरा, banana केला. These are fruits. ये fruits हैं. Okay. Next are O for onion, C for cucumber, P for potato, C for carrot. Onion प्याज, cucumber खीरा, potato आलू, carrot गाजर. These are vegetables. ये सब्जियां हैं जो हम पका कर खाते हैं, या cucumber and onion हम एज अ सैलड भी खाते हैं.